Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping both sides precisely. Clean the area and position the hand or foot so the edges meet naturally. Once done, mark a subtle guideline where front and back will join. This keeps symmetry. Make a simple center motif that begins on the front, then mirror its anchor point on the back. You use a 0.5 1 mm cone and steady pressure so the first lines dry uniformly. Practice the stroke on paper to match speed and thickness before applying to skin. Once the anchors are set, continue by extending vines or chain links from each anchor toward the meeting edge so they appear to reach each other. You alternate between thicker base strokes and thinner linking lines to create depth. Make sure the thickness transitions are gradual so the eye reads one continuous band. Add 2 4 mm space dots or bead motifs along the link to disguise any tiny misalignments and to make drying predictable. Keep checking alignment by lightly bringing the edges together. You finish by reinforcing the joint area with a slightly thicker motif and small filler elements so the connection reads as intentional. Once done, apply a sugar lemon seal to lock moisture and leave it for 30-60 minutes. This improves stain darkness. Make sure to peel the dried paste away rather than wet washing, and wait 12-24 hours before heavy washing. If the fronts don't match perfectly, add tiny filler flowers or shadow strokes to even the visual weight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.